Hello everyone. Here our VIP guests from Kedah and then from PPTB. Also my good friend Mr. Day, Dato' Jacqueline, and our advisor, and then my friend and all member. Okay, today I am the organizing chairman, so I would like to take this opportunity actually to introduce our new program and new direction of our PCDA and our association. Actually now, President with me and my committee, we going to launch one program which is called member support and the advisor group. Okay, let me use Chinese or Cantonese to explain the program more clearly for you to more understand. Okay, so our PCDA actually from PCDA 開始嘅。呢個 PCDA 係從 PCDA 開始，但而家我哋嘅 PCDA 面對緊嘅就係一樣大家生意上一樣嘅問題，即係結構仲係舊嘅結構，嗱市場係新嘅市場。Our market changing very fast, but our structure still is the old. So 我哋嘅工會，我哋就諗到呢個 program 就係。Members support and advisory group。其實都講緊嘅呢個 program 同呢個 support，佢淨係出現一個詞嘅啫。其實就係人嘅做生意、做工會點樣都做唔出人。咁樣我哋做生意係需要咩人？需要貴人。大家認同冇？所以我哋工會其實咧係一個好好嘅一個平台，佢係一個冇利益嘅平台，唔會 conflict 嘅平台，係咪？我哋嘅貴人點樣講貴人？第一有兩種啦，第一佢係睇重你，啱冇？我哋貴人係睇重你，高人係睇重你。第二。你嘅心有冇打開？俾人哋入嚟，人哋睇中你，你冇打開，人哋入唔到嚟，啱冇？如果你冇咁嘅心，你都唔會去睇人，你都睇唔到嘅嘢。所以我哋工會係好重要嘅工會。工會嘅睇下，我哋就睇嗰啲師兄，我哋做得好成功，有好多名都係我哋嘅 friend 賺到錢嘅。如果佢哋冇賺到錢，佢哋唔會 support 到我哋今時今日。所以我哋工會係以事為進，不停咁樣進步，到今時今日係而家嘅實質係舊嘅，人先都係舊嘅。但你記得，我哋做生意始終係講人。我哋有嘅係咩？你哋有嘅係咩？我哋有嘅係資源。我哋有嘅係咩？我哋有頭髮。我哋有繁衍商，啱冇？我哋有經濟基礎，我哋識人。後生人唔會同你打，後生一代唔會同你打。點解？因為佢冇可能你跳得咁好，你有咁多個 profile 對挑戰你，絕對冇可能。而家嘅現代人，佢睇到係咩？而家新嘅行業一定係講咩 ？speed， 速度。資源加速度就係而家嘅 business structure。我哋有接受，所以我哋嘅門係打開。PCDA 亦係一個交際嘅平台，係每一個領袖，每一個想提拔人，或者你係貴人，或者你想揾人合作。我哋工會好多人問我工會，我其實都懷疑過人生嘅。工會冇啦，大家做同樣嘅嘢，對手嚟嘅，啱冇？但我始終會企翻我自己嘅諗法，我自己嘅立場。工會其實係一個好好大家做朋友嘅 一個地方。所以同行啊，其實同行人先知味道，同行人先諗法一樣，有緣人先會坐住一齊嘅，啱冇？冇可能安話會support你嘅，啱冇？冇可能 care 佢喺度。我哋而家坐住呢度嘅每一個人，其實係你無可擺脱嘅一個緣分，大家先至可以坐住，人拉人，係，所以我哋工會，我希望未來我所講嘅呢個 AI business transformation, member support, and e-invoice social EPF。首先我哋有AI business 嘅叫做 software 嘅話，佢係做又係做 e-invoice software 嘅啦，所以佢係我哋嘅提升呢個小組係方便我哋 member。如果有邊個有coming， 其實我哋生意一係講 management 嘅，你哋可以競爭喺 coming 嘅 future market， 你哋 management， 你哋嘅 skill 一定做好。所以我希望我哋工會轉型 coming 就係喺呢方面。佢唔止淨係 coming 係 organising 先咩？唔係 organising event。我哋肯定係仲會繼續做 event 啊 ！event 係我哋嘅叫做出發嘅時候嘅，係咪？所以我同阿會 discuss 咗，我哋後面我哋就會為我哋係一個叫做 support 嘅平台，為我哋 member 提供呢啲advisory group。我哋會係小組開始，例如 Payroll EPF 我哋嘅 Mr. Lo、Isacom 佢係呢方面嘅專業。我所講嘅呢啲唔係講佢係俾包俾咩嘅，其實係一個我哋企出嚟，大家有時先係咪貴人係咪高人，你哋自己去接觸先知道。for example 我哋有阿軒係做 invoice， Coy 又係做 invoice， 呢啲三點係system and management 啦。我哋有加強我哋嘅嘢，做頭先你哋嘅 business 先至可以出去stronger 用我哋嘅行業，係冇出去競爭，係多啲睇人。所以我哋工會後尾係一個好好平台，希望大家唔係淨係咁樣㗎，一啲做啲 event 啊，淨係睇下做。其實我哋工會係一個交流，大家睇法，大家互相幫助。互相俾意見，咁樣希望今日你係貴人，你都係將門打開嘅。Thank you，謝謝。